Migration done right needs an architect. We'll talk about those ideas next. SDR News coverage of AWS reInvent made possible by Dome9. Total control and visibility over your cloud infrastructure, network, and host security. Garantia, the in-memory NoSQL company, offering enterprise-class Redis for developers. Encapsula, website security, always-on protection from bots and DDoS and real-time stats on visitors and threats. Skillbase, leveraging MySQL and scaling out data at the speed of your business. And eMind, architecting, building, and operating enterprise-grade clouds in billion-dollar HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX environments. More coverage of AWS reInvent online or on the SDR News Roku channel.
Okay, so we are here at the AWS reInvent floor, SDR News, together with I'm On Demand. My name is Ophir, and together with me right now is Lav from eMind, CEO of eMind. How are you, man?
I'm good, man. Well,
how is the show?
Why?
How is the show?
It's amazing what's happening here. Seems like the whole world wants just cloud. Everybody wants cloud.
So it's the first time you told me in AWS reInvent, right?
Yeah, that's our first time visiting here.
It's only the second time in the world, right?
Yeah. So we're pretty in good shape, probably. Seems that everybody wants to go cloud, and that's why we're here, to help them.
Excellent. So, there are a lot of challenges today in the industry on, migrating and moving to the AWS cloud and, enabling that. And I know that you are helping that. Can you elaborate about that?
Yeah, sure. Basically, in a couple of words, what eMind is doing, eMind is a company that helps customers to architect, build, and operate their application on the cloud. There are a couple of challenges that we are facing on our everyday work. The first thing is customers want to build it right. And there's a big question, how do I do that, especially for those people who are moving from the on-premise infrastructure? They have no clue how to get to that. So eMind, with our architects, help them to design it right, to make it exactly to match the needs of the application.
So basically you're saying that it's not just, go ahead and start your machine very fast, like some of us will say, agility and speed. You need to be, responsible to what you're going to have and plan ahead.
Yeah, so we have a kind of kickstart package which helps those to answer all these questions. We have our workshop, architecture workshop, which works for everybody. We sit with the customers and resolve all the challenges and gaps. We work with them through the security, through the scalability, through any type of data hosting. We work with them to address these questions.
So you are a partner of Amazon, right?
We are an advanced partner for already a couple of years, almost since the advance was launched. And yeah, we do lots of customers, starting from enterprises who we do the enterprise-grade cloud for, and on the other hand, the scale systems.
So the enterprise-grade cloud, it's a notion that is returning itself in this conference. Can you elaborate more of what it means?
Yeah, the enterprise-grade cloud is a blueprint that we know how to build. We got lots of experience building the enterprise-grade cloud, which covers and let the customers deploy their application in a PCI, HIPAA, SOX ready systems.
Yeah, this is very interesting. Last year I was here, and everybody talk about the startup. Right now, everybody talk about SOX and HIPAA. Very interesting. So how? And you're working also with startups or just enterprises?
eMind has lots of experience with the startups in our past years, and in the past year we see a lot more enterprises are moving and considering to move to the cloud, and we show them, we do for them the whole infrastructure part on the AWS to let them safely and securely connect to their infrastructure in a hybrid mode or just on the cloud, but make sure they do not break their existing regulations.
Excellent. So I don't know about what is the story of eMind. Did you start from I see here many service providers start with data centers and they're just moving their stuff to Amazon Cloud together with their customers. So you have data centers?
No, we do not own any hardware. We are just a pure cloud company. eMind focuses on deploying applications to the cloud. We do not take care of any on-premise hardware. We work just with clouds. We are specializing in Amazon. We are recently doing a couple of other clouds, but Amazon, as of today, is definitely leader. Has a 2 years lead of the rest.
It's amazing. So I say all the time, hardware is actually an API. So
that's a good point. From our point of view, I mean, there are people who are used to screwdriver and build up racks.
Yeah.
For us, hardware is just an API call.
Amazing. So, how people can reach you? What is the next step? To get your help.
Yeah, anybody who wants to build their cloud, design it, build it, or operate it is more than welcome to approach eMind at www.emind.co. Specifically for the reInvent, we have our workshop at a major discount. So go to emind.co/workshop and talk to us.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Lav. Enjoy the show.
Thank you here.